cases, right? So we will consider private test cases. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir. And my last question is, sir, regarding if I do with means it is week one. If I do some question with loop and if else block, does it does answer will be rejected?
Uh,
Means some code could be done without if also and with if else statement, but week one does not cover that.
yeah,
The test gives marks 0, I guess, because I have done that.
yeah. In evaluation code, that will be there. That type of checking will be there.
That will be
Okay.
rejected, sir, right, sir?
Yeah, that will be rejected because in week one we still not discussed, right?
Sir, but in week one,
And
when
sir,
I
could
use the
we
loop,
could we draw comment in? Could we write comment in that code in practice also and in graded also? Could we write comment without any rejection?
Do you want to write that part of code as a comment, right?
Some
That
comment
is your
line
asking.
by line means yes. Some comment means to understand what the code I have written.
Hello, Ritik.
Sir, I am saying
Am I
some
audible
comment I
properly?
am writing. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So, okay,
I'm
your
saying if
comments
I
will be stripped out, right? Your comments will be stripped out during running of your program, right?
yes, sir,
Hello.
that part I understood means for graded
Yeah.
assignment it will not affect to rejection, no?
Sir, if all private cases passed, then we will be awarded with full marks, right?
Yes, yes. Only public test cases passed, you won't get full marks. Okay. Private test cases should be considered for your consideration.
sir, sir, I wrote some questions with the loop part as well, but server is saying that all the private cases has been
Yeah,
passed.
yeah. Because there is one evaluation script. Okay. There is one evaluation script. You should not write. Okay. So that
So,
loops,
but it is showing passed. So, should I consider it or should I change to that normal form?
So if you click on submit, okay, if your private test case is passed or not.
Yes, private test. I am talking about private test cases. All the five has been passed.
Okay.
So if I want me to change it, so I can do it. But in graded, there was no need. In PPA, I did it with loops for just for practice.
Okay. But in problem statement, we did not change it, right?
No, it is not asking.
So
Yes.
as per, if you done everything as per the problem statement, it should be good. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, as per problem statement, if you do, you will get good results. Okay.
So one more thing, I have a doubt if we can ask the PP assignment questions too. Like I have a doubt in two of the PP assignment. So can we discuss that also in this session? Like it's not the grade part.
PPS or GRPS you're talking about.
I think there is a hint for PPAs.
No, only four questions are given as hints. So regarding these PPA questions, can we ask questions, not the GRPA?
Yeah, yeah, yes. So here the session is about you. If you have any doubts, okay. So you can ask regarding PPS in this session, okay. And in open session, okay, you can ask about those. I guess GRPS will not be discussed in the live session, okay. So before deadline, we won't discuss GRPS.
Sir, can we use for loop and while loop in GRPAs also while solving GRPAs?
See here. So if you go through the problem statement and if you write the code according to the Okay, so this problem statement, it will be good actually. Okay,
As
because
it's
so yeah,
in
yeah, tell
first
me.
week, while loops are not discussed.
Yes, yes, that's why. So it's
Understood.
Sir,
better.
I
Yes,
think we don't need to use the loops for any of the
yes,
questions.
yes.
If
Without
I want
without
to,
loops also we can.
if I want to in any GRPA, will it show any error or not? And for evolution, it will be correct, right?
See here,
Evolution.
if you click on test run, so then your test cases passed or not, you can check it, right? So if your test cases are passed, then you will get marks
Okay.
for sure.
Okay, sir.
But
Thank you.
it's not recommended. Okay, it's not
Okay.
recommended. According to problem statement, if you write the code, it will be good. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I have one operational query. I'm repeating only OPP this term. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So, am I required to submit both graded assignments, both theory as well as practical again in this term?
This one.
I mean,
Yeah.
I need to just give the OPPs only. So,
Can you write this query on discourse? It will be good.
sir, but discourse is not accessible to me till today.
Oh, is it?
I don't know for others, but for me, it is not accessible for any course.
Yeah, yeah. Wait. So after some time, Omkar will join. So if you have any operational queries, so you can ask Omkar. Okay.
In this session, will he join in
Yeah,
this
in this
session?
session only. In this session only, he will join.
Okay, please intimate if he joins.
Sure, sure, sure. I will
Thank you.
intimate.
So
Okay.
can I solve problems with the different methods which are not taught in that week only?
Methods means, do you
Like
want to
using
use
functions.
some predefined functions like that, right? So if PPA contains evaluation code, then you won't get marks, right?
But when it passes all test cases, what
Then
about
there
it?
is no problem. Then there is no problem. Okay? So that's why I'm telling that, right? So it's better to uh, uh, read the problem statement carefully, and according to problem statement, okay, solve the problem. Okay, that is recommended actually.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Sir, what will we do in this session?
Yeah, I will discuss PPA 1 to PPA 7 today.
Sir, I
Okay.
joined late. Did I miss
Sir,
something?
PPA
No,
1
no,
to
no.
7 only means there are PPA 13, no, sir?
Yeah, yeah. In next session, remaining will be discussed. Okay.
Okay, means this is only doubt clearing session, sir, right, sir?
No, no. You can code along with me. Okay. You can code along with me. PPA 1 to 7.
Okay, sir,
Okay.
but
Yeah. I will write the
I have
code
code
live.
all. I have
Okay.
Sir,
written
This is
all the
live
one
codes, sir.
thing.
session. Yeah.
Sir, all the PPAs are of week one only, na? PPA and GR that's showing in the week one part, they all belong to the week one session only, right? Content.
Yes, yes. This session is for week 1. Okay. Okay. If anybody have doubts regarding submitting PPA, you can ask her.
Start
Okay.
by watching all lectures. For each lecture, open a Python interpreter and code along with
Plus,
the
बैठा लिया
procedure.
मेरे को.
Once you have gone through all the lectures,
मैं आ
start
जाऊंगा
with the
2 मिनट
practice programming assignments. There will be
Somebody speaking.
at
Yeah.
least 5
Sir.
PPAs in each week. Please do them in order. Start with PPA 1 and go all the way up to PPA 5. This is not an arbitrary suggestion by any means.
Hello.
You can mute your
Once
mic.
you have gone through all
Ranjish
PPAs, then
Kumar.
start with credit programming
Ranjish
assignment.
Kumar. Can you please
Again,
mute yourself? Ranjish Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Yeah, see here. So here this is okay. My screen visible, right?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
why
sir.
is the PPA as due date, sir?
Yeah, here.
If it,
See here
it is not
at
graded.
left hand side. See PPA 1 to PPA 13, right? PPA 1 to PPA 13. Here you have practice programming assignments. See here, if you click on this PPA 1, see here, you have, see, you will be able to resubmit before due date. Okay, you can submit any number of times before the due date. So here, what is the due date here? See, 31st
That
December,
December 2023.
yeah, 2023. Okay, so this is the assignment deadline. One second.
Sir, it is not graded, then why it is due date?
Even it is not graded, okay, so there is a deadline for PPA and GRPA. Okay, so
I guess we
okay,
will get bonus mark if we do this.
see
In
on
final exams.
last, yeah, see
See,
here,
in PPA, the due date is 31st December 2023. So it is like a notional thing, maybe because they have coded it this way. It is just for the sake of it. In the graded assignments, deadlines are what matter.
yes, see here 31st December means you can submit. Okay, so there is no deadline actually, so we have to give some date here. Okay, so that's why it is given, but graded here it will be changed. Okay, yeah, see here, when I submit last this one, see I submitted last on 25th Jan 2023. Okay, 11/17. See how many test cases passed. Okay, it is showing here. Okay, so actually here I, oh sorry, here I have some code, so I will remove that of code. Okay.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Yeah, I stopped. Okay, okay, is my screen visible now?
Yes,
Yes, sir. It is.
yes,
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 sir.
sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
see here, yeah, so here you have what a problem statement. Okay, and you have note also. Okay, here you no need to worry about this slash n. Okay, that comes at the end of the output. Okay, so you can ignore this slash n. Okay, and see here, if you go to, okay, if you go to test cases, so here we have one test case for this PPA1. So this test case contains input and expected output. So here in for this test case, we no need of any, okay, input. Okay, so but we are expecting the output is what, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So here actual output, okay, still, okay, we have not written any program and we have not run the program, so that's why we are not getting any actual output here. Okay, yeah, see now here you should select, okay, the language as Python 3. Okay, so until, okay, you select the language, you are not able to write, okay, anything here, right? Somebody already, okay, written this one, right? So without selecting language you are not able to do anything here. Am I right? Am I correct?
Ye-
Yes, sir. You are.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल
Yeah, so here you should select the language. Okay, without selecting language, okay, you cannot write anything here. And here you have, see, okay, zoom in, this one zoom in, and this is zoom out, and here you have copy, paste some options. Okay, yeah. Now see here, what is the first problem statement here? PPA1 problem statement: print
Print
the
first five.
first five
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 positive
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 integer,
integers
1 to 5.
in ascending order with one number in each line. Okay, one
One
number
line.
in each line. Now you tell me how to go about it. Here, print the first five positive integers. What are the first five positive integers?
1, 2,
1 to
3, 4,
5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now you tell me how to print something. How to print something on the console. Not only,
Print
okay,
function.
Print
integer.
function.
I want to
Print
print
using
Function.
print
something.
Use
function.
print function.
Print.
Print function.
Why it is print?
It displays the output.
It is a keyword to to print anything.
Keyword or function?
It's a
Function.
function
function.
which displays.
Okay.
Function,
So
function.
actually here print is a predefined function, right?
Yes, sir.
Print is a predefined function given by the Python. That's why we need to use print, predefined function, to print something on the console. Okay. Yeah. Now you tell me how to print. Print of what I have to write here.
One.
Print of
One.
1, right? Next, copy, paste. Okay. Change.
Two.
Change to 2 and
Three.
3, 4,
Four.
and 5.
Five.
5. So this is the code I have written, right? Now, now here, okay. First, I need to click on test run. Okay, first I need to click on test run. Okay, so whenever you click on this test run, okay, whenever you click on this test run, what happened? Okay, so it is going to check. Okay, first your public test cases. Okay, public test cases. Okay, here first it is going to check you whether your program is okay written correctly or not. Is there any syntax errors? Okay, so if any everything is correct, okay, if everything is correct, then okay, so it is going to okay apply, okay, give an input, okay, to your program. So according to that input, whether okay your actual output is generated, okay, your actual output is generated as per the expected output or not, okay, it will change. Okay, yeah. Now see, I'm going to click on test. See, see here. First, you need to check here. Test run results. See, what are the test run results here?
All
Test run
cases
results.
passed.
Summary. What is the summary? All cases passed. Okay, all cases passed. Actually, here we have only one case. Okay, public test case. Okay, one by one passed. Okay, see here in actual output. Okay, so this is the expected output. What is the expected output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here we are getting what? 1/n, 2/n. What is slash n here actually?
It's not
Line.
to be minded.
Okay,
New line.
slash n
Next
indicates
line.
new line, right?
Yes,
Slash n
new.
indicates new
New
line.
line.
Okay, yeah. In your problem statement, see, in your problem statement, do not worry about slash n. Okay, that comes out at the end of the output. Okay, already this is mentioned in your problem statement. Okay, so not only problem statement, okay, so in future weeks also, so please consider these note points. Okay, so these are you should consider these note points carefully. Okay, otherwise if you don't consider these note points, you may miss some private test cases. Okay, yeah, this is clear, right, for everyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I use another method, but I got 1 out of 1 test cases passed. Then also it is fine, right? Or do you want me to change it into this kind?
Yes,
Yeah, what
me
is
too.
that
I
method?
also used for loop for I in range 1 to 6 and print I. Is it
Yes, sir.
okay?
I have also done
Yeah,
this.
already I told no. So here there is no need of this for loop and all, because this is
If
very first week. Okay, this is very first week. Okay, so even your test cases passed, it is not recommended. Okay, just
so
we are
should I
telling that.
change then process?
Yeah, it's better to change.
Okay.
Marks will be detected if we will do in graded assignment.
Oh, that I'm not sure. So yeah, I will
GRPS.
check it with Omkara and I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
So please do in this way. So please take this screenshot, or you can code along with me. Okay, this is only just 5 lines of code, right? So I will wait. Okay.
Sir, one more query from my side. There is no mentor for this Python session. Just like previous, there's a mentor session for CT. There is no mentor assigned.
This you can
I think you
write
should
this
go to
one about
discourse forum.
yeah, discourse forum.
Sir, in discourse forum, Omkar sir mentioned that there is no mentor.
Yeah,
I
but
don't know the
discourse
reason
reply
he
very
mentioned.
soon. Within hour you can get reply
Yeah,
of
no,
your doubt.
I'm telling
Can
about
anyone send me the link, please?
You will get officially from your support team. You should mail him if it is not present, and also the forum will redirect you to like course score announcement. Forum will redirect you to discourse.
Oh, oh, thank you.
Okay. Shall I move to next one?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me this one. Sorry, 1 second. I will remove this, which I have written previously. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here, print the following pattern. Okay. See what is the pattern here? Actually, here your pattern contains how many lines of okay? How many lines of output here?
5
Five
lines.
lines, right?
5 lines.
Ah. So here first line contains what? 1 star. Second line contains two 2 stars. Means hashtag symbols, right? Third one, 3 hashtags. Fourth
Three.
one, 4 hashtags. Like that. Okay. So there is no spaces between conjugative stars. Okay. There is no spaces between conjugative stars. Okay. See here, there is no spaces, right? Now there are no spaces at the end of each line. Okay. Here, see here, star. After star, you should not give any space. Okay. Here also in second line, third line. Okay. You should not give any spaces at the end of each line. Here we have note. Already I told no. So this note is very important. Okay. Here also, do not worry about the what slash n that you observe in the expected output. Okay. It can be ignored. Okay. See what is the See, star, star, star. Actually, I executed this one. I removed my code. Okay, you no need to worry. See, here slash n. Okay, so you no need to worry about this slash. Now you tell me how to go about it. Here, print the following pattern. You should print it. Okay, you should print it. Now you tell me.
So we will take the asterisk in a string.
Ah,
So
here I will increase the font. Ah, now you tell me.
So
We
print
should
and
use.
quotation.
Okay.
That
Here it is what?
we will apply quotation.
Yeah, quotation, right? So because this is what?
A string.
Symbol, hashtag symbol, string, right? Ah, next. Ah, next, in second line, how many hashtag symbols are there?
two.
Two.
Two,
Two.
right?
Two.
Simply copy paste. Okay. Like this, how many printing statements are required?
5.
Print
Five.
statements are
5.
required,
Right, sir.
Five.
right?
Five.
Fourth one contains 4. Fifth one. Here I am giving some spaces intentionally. Okay. Yeah. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am giving spaces intentionally. Here I ignored. Okay. I ignored. So what? This. Okay. I ignored these what points. So, actually there is no spaces, and I'm giving some space at the end of this third statement. See, see here, wrong answer. See here, hashtag 2, hashtag 3, hashtags. See here, at see here at the third one. So here we have extra space, right? Are you able to see?
Yes.
Right? In fourth line, where is the space?
After the third.
Where is the space? Here, right?
After the second star.
Second.
Yeah, after the second star. In third, fifth line,
After the third star.
After the third.
after the third. Okay, so that's why you are not able to clear the test cases, right? Here, what I am doing is here. Yeah, see. Still, okay. I ignored one. Okay, what? One point in the problem statement. What is that? What is that? Which point
If
I missed?
the third line, sir. You added a
Third
space
line, third
after
At
the
the
line.
third
space.
star.
Third line,
There
sir.
is a space after start in third line.
I'm asking which point I missed in the problem statement. That is
If
I'm
you
asking.
in the problem it
There
is
should be no
There are
space.
no
There should be
spaces
no
at the end of
space,
each
sir.
line.
This one,
Line
right?
3, sir.
No
This one, right?
space end of the each line.
Yeah, there are no spaces at the end
End
of
of
each line. This one I am missing, right?
Yeah.
So, see now. So, still wrong answer. See here, it's difficult to find actually. If you see for the first time, it's difficult to find, right? Am I correct? It's difficult to find. If you see for the first time, if you give intentional, not intentionally, if you give some space by mistake, okay, it's difficult to find. So here, please, okay, take care of these spaces. Okay, in further, okay, in future PPS. Doing
Sir,
everything.
I have one question.
Yeah, yeah. One second. See here, everything is correct. Now I'm going to click on submit. Okay, successful. Okay, 1 out of 1 private test cases passed. Now go ahead.
I have one question regarding this. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
If This is for 5 cases, so we have written it manually.
Yeah.
So if it is for, let's say, 30 to 40 cases, then is there any faster process or efficient process to go about it?
Efficient process means?
Efficient in the sense, for first line it should be one, second line it should be two, and we have to get till 40, for example. So how to
Yeah,
go
you
about
can
that?
write. You can write,
Yes, by
but
using
this
for
is
loop.
very first week, right? This is very
Okay,
very first week, right?
so it is
So that's
possible,
why,
right?
yeah, it is possible.
Okay.
It is possible. We have lot of printing, what we call patterns. We have lot of patterns. Okay,
I
so
also
we have
did it
lot
by
of
for
patterns to
loop.
print.
So I have to erase it and do like that normal print
Yeah,
statement,
by
right?
using for loop also you can do. Okay,
I
so
can
not
do.
only this pattern,
Okay.
we, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So here,
I already did.
not
That's why I'm
only this
asking.
pattern, we have a lot of patterns. Okay,
Yes.
you can do it using for loops. Okay, so as it is very first session, okay, basic. Okay, so how to print something on the console. Okay, so here the main idea is this is very first session, right? Some people may not aware of Python. Okay, so I guess you may know something about Python before. That's why you are asking these kind of doubts, right? So some people may not know anything about Python. So that's why, so these kind of PPS are prepared. Okay. So if you are willing to do, okay, these kind of patterns in your own by using other method, you can do. Okay, there is no restriction. Okay, so somebody written code here. So is, I don't know his name. He used SCP is equal to, okay, no loop. Here see, print 1 2 3 4 5 separate is equal to slash n. So yeah, like this you can write. Okay, you can write. Okay, so Python have lot of okay, predefined libraries and functions. Okay, so somebody written here, see, use triple quote for faster writing print. So we have a lot of ways, but here our idea is, okay, so most of the people, okay, don't know, okay, about Python before. Okay, some people know about Python before. Okay, so that's why here we prepared the basic PPS for week one. Okay. I'm proceeding with the next one. Is it okay?
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
after completing my first PPA, if I go for the second one, again I am getting in the console 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Why, sir? As output?
For second PPA,
Yes, sir. The first one I got it. Second one I have gone for this one asterisk second 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I go for the test run, I am getting again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the output. Is there anything I missed, sir?
can you check your code?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Oh. Okay, I will check after the session is
Yes, sir.
completed.
Okay,
You
sir.
can share your screen. I will check it. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Should I proceed with third one?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope my screen visible, right?
Yes, sir.
See, accept an integer as input and print its a square as output. Now you tell me. Here same. Okay, note. So do not worry about slash n that you observe in the expected output. It can be ignored. Okay. So here, see, 10. If you give 10 as input, okay, expected output should be 100. And if you give input as 5, expected output should be 25. Okay,
Sir, I have a
so
doubt.
yeah,
Sir, in this, I have also done this, but it's showing that zero test pass.
it is showing what?
Zero test pass.
Okay, okay, we'll see. Can you post your code in the chat box?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now anybody have an idea how to go about it? See here, you should accept what here an integer, right? Should accept the integer as input and print its square as output. For suppose your number is 5. What is square of 5?
25.
25.
25. So it should be
25.
printed. Now you tell me. First,
I did number is equal to input, integer input, then the SQR equal to this number into number, then print the SQR.
okay, okay.
So we can use we can take x is equal to int input, and then we can print. Then we will use
Yes, sir,
print
I have
function
given the
like
code.
x double asterisk 2.
Okay. Yeah, good. Is there any other method? So two
Sir, I
people
have
said.
given the code, sir, in chat box.
Sir,
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. So here actually, so how to read input actually first? So I want to read input. So input, okay, is equal. Input is my variable. Okay. So suppose let's say number. Okay, number, right? We are reading number. Now you tell me how to read something. Input function, right? Input.
Yes, sir.
So if you read, okay, something by using input function. Okay, if you are assigning to this variable,
It
now
will
you
be
tell me.
strings.
This
It will be
will be
string,
as a
sir.
string.
It
Yeah,
will be
be a
string. You have
it
to
will be string.
include integer to make it
Yeah,
integer.
yeah. Okay, okay. So here, if you directly assign this input function to the variable, so whatever you read, okay, that is in the form of string. Okay, but here they mentioned clearly in the problem statement, accept what? An integer as input.
Input.
And yeah, and prints its a square as output. Now you should convert this, okay, input which is in the form of string into what?
Integer.
integer.
Integer. Now you tell me how to convert it.
Typecast
Integer.
it to
I
int input.
INT
int
bracket
Yeah,
and
int
The int bracket.
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 Input.
Okay, int half. Now whatever the input you are reading, okay, that will be converted into integer, and that is going to store in the number, what? Number variable. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what we have to do? We have to print square of the
Square of
number.
that.
Yes.
Now I'm going to take one temporary variable, number, sorry, square is equal to how to
Number.
get it?
Number to
Double
star
asterisk.
star 2.
Number into number. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Now
this will
print SQR.
SQR.
Okay, this is one method. Okay. Shall I proceed with test run?
so this will give errors because there's a
Wait.
semicolon
Just
in the
yeah, we'll see that code also. Okay. Yeah. See here, all test cases passed. Okay. Now click on submit. See, 5 out of 5 private test cases passed. What is wrong in this code? What is
Nothing,
wrong in
sir.
this code?
so nothing wrong, but we can simplify it.
Right? We have another way also, right? So what is that way?
Number star star 2.
Number asterisk and 2, sir.
Right?
Number double asterisk 2.
Right? This one also. Okay. Now this is also another way. Okay. See?
Sir, can we write an input statement inside the print statement?
Yeah, we can also write. We can also write. Okay. See, 5 out of 5 private test cases passed. Okay. So for suppose here you can cut it and paste, and there is
Please
no need
mute.
of
Sir, there
temporary
is someone.
variable also.
Please mute.
Sir,
Please
plus
mute.
it
Please
is
mute.
mute, not able
आचल
to hear
म्यूट म्यूट
properly.
कर लो भाई.
Achal, Achal, please mute yourself.
आचल तुम्हारी मम्मी डांट रही भाई.
Achal,
म्यूट कर ले. इज्जत बचा ले.
Achal. Okay. Thanks. So you can write directly like this. Okay.
Sir, sir, I have one doubt. Like, can we see what are the private test cases? Like, 5 are the private test cases now in this one. So, is there a way to see that which are the private
No,
test
no,
cases or
no.
no?
You are not able to see.
Sir, for then
That's why.
in
That's why I'm telling. So
yeah.
please read problem statement carefully, and according to the problem statement, if you write anything, everything, then you won't get any errors in the private test cases also.
So, sir, like I don't remember that the question it's from PPA or GRA, but on that, like public test cases, all are learning fine, like it's showing 2 of 2. But while submitting that private one for the submit button, then the private one it's only showing 4 of 5 success. So that's why I want to know like what's the wrong. I think it's from GRA question. I cannot access my portal. I don't know why it's not loading, but I don't remember is it from PPA or GRA. That's why.
What
So
was that question?
question was around I think. Let me see. I have that. So you have to print a substring of a string, which is like a minimum number of times so that it's larger than previous string.
Okay, okay.
I don't remember it's from GRA or PPA,
It's
but for
PPA 12.
it's PPA 12. No, okay,
Yes,
Okay.
PPA 12
So that will
question.
be discussed. Okay, that will be
okay, okay.
discussed in the next session. Okay, you no need to worry.
In next
Okay,
session,
this
sir.
is yeah next
Why
session.
next session?
Okay,
Not in this
Okay,
session.
not in this session. 1 to 7, only 1 to 7.
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So this is okay, right, for everyone?
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
have a doubt regarding this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
Please go ahead.
thank you. So in this particular problem, there is like multiple ways we can write the code and get the actual output. So is there a particular way that we should focus on to write it ideally? Like, should we focus on writing minimum number of lines, or is there something like that?
No, 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 not like that. Okay, so
So
based on your idea, you can write. Okay,
okay,
there
so
is no.
all
Okay,
right.
so there
So
is no restriction. You should
okay,
complete this task in this minimum number of lines like that.
okay, so we can write it in
Yeah,
any way
see
as
here. Yeah,
yeah.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Okay.
See here. Previously, I written like this, right? Right? SQR. Here, this SQR. If you have something, okay, computation using this SQR further, okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
then you can declare one temporary variable and hold its square in this variable and print like this, and you can use further this one. If you don't have this variable use further, then write directly like this, and you can reduce number of lines. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
if you have, okay, some computation, okay, some computation with respect to this what square of this number, then hold it in some temporary variable and print it. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Sir, are we covering the good coding practice in any sessions, like how to name the variables, standard practice?
How to name means
The
so
name,
you can.
like there will be some industry standard, right? How the variables should be named, how the function should be named.
Okay. Actually, variable names there is no standard actually. So variable name. See 1 second. So you can write a variable name for suppose ID. Okay, so
Sir, he is
id
actually
is
talking
you can
about
declare
a.
like this. Okay, next here student name. Okay, for suppose one variable. Okay, variable name is what? Student name. So here this variable contains how many words?
Two words.
Two, right?
Yeah.
So in variable name, if your variable has only one word, write it in single, what we call in lowercase letters. If your variable name has more than one word, write first word in lowercase letter, and from second word onwards, first letter should be in uppercase letter. This is variable. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, and in function point of view also. Okay, functions point of view also. So print. Okay, print is the function. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, for suppose print details is your function name. Okay, now your function contains what? How many words? Two words, right?
Yeah.
So here print, okay, is the first word in your function. So write it in what? Lowercase letters. And from second word onwards, write first letter in uppercase. Did you
Okay.
get my point?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, industry will use these kind of okay standards
Okay.
while
Thank you.
writing variables and
So, sir,
sorry,
in this case, print and detail, there is no space.
where here you should not give space, right?
Okay.
Should not give space. Here print details is completely a method. Should not give space.
So, sir, in Python, why we write in a small letter?
Yeah, you can write it in small letter, no problem. But as per industry standard, we should use like this.
Okay.
Are we
Sir, what
writing variables there?
in detail, sir?
If you write
Hey
everything in
Anand,
lowercase,
hey
not a
Anand, hold
problem.
on. Anand,
Okay.
say hi Anand, it's Omkar.
Yeah.
So, am I audible?
Yeah, Omkar. Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah, okay. So
yes,
first
sir.
thing, yeah. So let me first introduce. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Omkar Joshi. I'm course instructor for Python.
Hello, sir.
You might have
Hello,
watched
sir.
Hello, sir.
some of
Hello, sir.
my lectures
Hello,
from
sir.
day one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
जानता
Hi,
हूँ
sir.
hello
आपको
everyone.
जानता हूँ
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great, great. Okay.
So
So
you
first of
taught in
all, I
sleep.
am seeing some to be precise, some stupid messages in the chat. So keep it formal. Please don't post such messages during the call. Everything gets recorded with name, ID, everything. Okay. So be cautious about what you post even in the chat windows here. That's first instruction. Second, whatever I just had, I had listened to your conversation with Anand, right? So I think Jolish, I think it was you. You were asking about standards, industry standards for
Yes.
variables,
Yes.
function names, and other things, right? So we do not. I mean, it is very a small thing. So no need to conduct a separate session. Just do one thing. I will suggest one thing. Just Google for something called as camel case. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It's called camel case. Whatever
Okay.
Anand is trying to explain right now, right? The first word,
Okay.
first
Yeah.
letter is small, and then from second word onwards, the first letter is in uppercase. So that this the common terminology is camel case. So just Google for this camel case in programming, and you will know everything about it. Okay,
Okay.
just
Okay. Sure.
10 to 15 minutes read, and it should be okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, I have a
So this,
question related to
yeah,
this only. I use lower snake case. I mean, it's like,
yeah.
so is it right for industry standard, or we
It
should
is
use whatever
fine.
we want?
See, to be honest, I'll tell you, every company has their own way, and every programmer has their own way on top of it. So
Okay.
it's not wrong. I mean, there is no, as we call it, these are standards, okay? These are not rules as such. These
Okay.
are just for guidelines. So
Hmm.
it makes, no, it improves the readability of code. Beyond that, there is nothing more towards to that, okay?
Okay.
So
Okay,
unless
sir.
until your variables are readable enough, it's any industry or even your managers or architects will accept it.
The problem comes only when people give variable names like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, X, Y, Z like that. That's the when the code is not readable, and then there is a problem. Unless and until your variable name is meaningful and it's written in some format, it should be okay.
Okay,
All
sir,
right.
I got
So
it.
no need to
Another
worry too
question.
much about it at this point of time. I mean, it's
Hmm.
bit too early for all of you to think about industry standards and all that.
Okay, sir.
It's good. I mean, I'm very happy to hear that people are thinking about it even at this early stage. So that's a good sign. But slowly you will get into it. Right now, your focus should be on logic and solving problems.
Okay, sir. No problem with
Okay.
that. Will we
Yeah.
have any session with Sudarshan sir also?
No, Sudarshan sir it is not with IIT Madras or with this program anymore.
Okay.
So he had to drop out of the program. So if you check the program now,
Hmm.
Professor Satyadev is handling the Python code. Sudarshan
Okay.
sir might have recorded the lectures, but
Hmm.
for last few runs, in fact, for first couple of runs, the Professor Sudarshan was there. From there onwards, Professor Satyadev has taken over this Python course.
Actually, the website says about Sudarshan sir only. That's why I
Yeah,
asked.
the website is still that because recording is from him, right?
Okay.
The original course was offered by him, but if you check the portal, I mean, every term the professor might change, right? I mean, not for all courses, some courses here and there, because professors go for sabbatical, maybe they go for postdoc, maybe something
Hmm.
else. So depending on their availability, we might have to adjust a little bit here and there for each term. So
Okay.
that's why we don't update that on the website because it doesn't look good. But for each portal, for the 3-4 months period, right? We keep
Hmm.
that information on the portal. So if you check your portal, it will mention that Professor Satyadev is handling the course for the. I mean, he will be looking after the course for the current term.
Okay,
And
sir.
of course, the VB instructors will be there.
Hmm.
All right.
Okay,
So
Yeah.
sir.
there is no YouTube link in Google Calendar for this
Yeah.
session.
Yeah. So usually we update it after the session. So you have started the session, right, Anand? I mean, you are live streaming it, right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, thanks.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, so Anand, please continue. I'll update the calendar. So others, I'll update the calendar now. Yeah,
Yeah,
over to
Omkar,
you, Anand. Please
somebody,
continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, somebody asked one operational doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I asked about it. I wanted to just consult Omkar sir for that.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Tell me.
Sir,
Uh,
even me also, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. One person at a time. Yes. Tell me. Who was that?
sir,
Rohit,
I'm
right? Yeah,
Rohit.
Rohit. Yes, Rohit.
I did Python previous term as well, and
Okay.
it unfortunately failed in both the OPPs, and
Okay.
therefore I am only repeating OPPs.
Okay.
So, but now the entire course has been
Uh-huh.
means I need to all the things has been updated entirely in my dashboard, and
Okay.
additionally I think this time around you have introduced that programming assignment of 7 to 9 Friday, Saturday,
Correct.
Sunday.
Correct.
So am I required to do everything before OPP?
No, you're not required to do any of that. You should do only OPP. I mean that's what the only OPP registration is. But for your own practice, it's good if you do that 5 to 7 thing, right? I mean, it will provide you that practice and also practice with time-bound thing, right?
Yeah,
So
that is
that's
okay.
something. Yeah. So for your own practice, you should do it. I mean, that's a recommendation. Beyond that, it's not a mandatory for you. Hey
Okay,
guys,
so
one person at a time. If you're not talking, please keep yourself on mute. Don't disturb the others here. Yeah. So Rohit, that's the answer for your question. Manish, can you mute?
hello.
Manish Ansari,
Uh,
can you mute him?
Omkar,
I'm here.
I have a doubt. I want to ask something.
Yeah, Kajari, just hold on. Anand, can you mute Manish?
Manish,
Yeah, thanks. Okay, yes, Kajari, go ahead.
Yeah, just like last term, For CT, we had mentor, and that's really helpful for me to make good score in CT. So, is this anything available for Python also?
No, I mean, we have stopped that mentoring program, the whatever was there last time. There will be some alternative to it, and we will be announcing it soon. So it's not exactly the way it was last time, but there will be some different version of that mentoring program will
Mhm.
coming soon. Okay.
Okay, but that was
So that's
really
something.
helpful. That's why I'm
Yeah,
asking.
I understand. I understand. I
Excuse
know.
me, sir.
Yeah.
See, there were
Thank you
very
so
few
much.
people who actually took advantage of it, and there were many who simply ignored it. So that's why we are restructuring that part, and we will launch it with some different flavor of it. So it will come. I mean, the details will be announced too.
Okay. If there is
And
course, then you will send mail so that I can join that thing.
yeah. So we will send the announcement to all, right? So you will
Okay.
get it once it's ready. Okay.
And one more thing, how do I
Yeah.
join the discourse?
You must have received the notification from our side. Just check your mail.
No, sir, we haven't
Okay.
received. No, sir, we haven't received.
You haven't? Just
And as
maybe
far
check
as I know, I
Mhm.
don't receive, but if you say that, I will check again.
on
Sir, I
your
have checked.
official email ID, right? IITM email ID.
Yes,
You must have
yes,
received.
IITM email
Just
ID.
check it once. Yeah.
Okay.
If not, just check your spam box once. It might
Sir,
have
I guess,
went there.
sir, I guess they can
Okay.
just log in through that email ID and that will do the thing.
So we
Yeah, I
did,
mean,
but
you
it
must
says
have
accepted.
all have been added to Discourse. So just go to the portal and click on forum. It will take you to Discourse.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
How to
Okay.
join the Telegram group, sir? Is the Telegram group
There is
created,
no
sir?
there is no formal Telegram group, WhatsApp group, nothing of that nature. No
Okay.
formal
Sir,
group of outside platform is there. Only Discourse. And see, all Discourse threads will come with just this will be there in the subject.
okay, sir.
IITM
Sir,
hyphen PDS in the square bracket. So maybe you
sir, one
can
more
look
query,
for
sir.
this in the subject. Yes.
See, in our Google Calendar,
Uh-huh.
most of the sessions are in between during the day hours, sir. As I'm a working professional,
Mm-hmm.
so some classes were some sessions were between 4 to 6, 5 to 7, like that. Is it? It will be like that only, sir, throughout this course.
As of now, I mean, all three sessions we have tried to keep a different time so that I mean, at least you will be able to
Uh,
join one of the sessions in a
yes,
week.
one of the
So one
session I
session
can,
is
sir.
4 to 6, other is 5 to 7, and third
Yes,
is
sir. Yes,
six
sir.
to eight.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So we thought, I mean, instead of keeping at one constant time, let's keep at three different time slots so that student will find at least one time slot, uh, preferable
Yes,
or convenient to
yes.
their own schedule,
One
right?
definitely I can join, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think that's enough. Remaining anyway, you are getting live stream, right? So you
Yes,
can
sir.
watch
Okay.
later.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
keeping the
Thank you,
live
sir. Thank you,
sessions
sir.
after 6 p.m. will be very helpful for the working
Yeah, I
professional.
understand. See, but there are many courses, right? All courses cannot have live sessions after that time because they cannot even clash because if Python session is happening and at that same time, let's say Math 2 or Stats 2 session is happening, again you can join only one of those,
Yes, sir.
right? There are students who are doing four courses together, so we have to consider all those things and then accordingly we have to make this calendar. And considering all that, that's how this calendar is prepared. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Omkar
Okay.
sir, uh,
Yes, Sushma.
I got disconnected, so I'm not sure if this is a repetitive question. This is
Yeah.
regarding some assignments which are mentioned in the January graded assignments, grading document, which
Yes.
says that Python will have some timed assignments on Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
So, is any information given out for that? Because nothing is mentioned in the calendar as of now or anywhere
Yeah.
else.
So that will start from next Friday.
From next Friday. Okay. This
From
so nothing for
next
this,
Friday.
nothing for the first week.
Okay. Hold on. Let me check. 27th. Yeah, sorry, it will start from tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow
So,
7 to 9. 7 to 9 it will start from tomorrow 7 to 9.
so the information will be put up on the calendar or in the where the weekly
I mean,
gradeds are given.
weekly, every week it will be there.
In the week,
See,
within the week, whatever assignments are given, it will be given as a tag over there, or
I mean, there will be a separate unit which will get launched tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
okay.
Okay, and 7 to 9 it will be accessible. Again, next day, that is Saturday, again 7 to 9, Sunday 7 to 9.
So
So
all
these 3
3 days it
days,
is going to be the same thing or
yes,
different?
yes, same thing. You have to attempt at least one of 3.
Okay, okay. So
If
any
you
one
if
of the
you
days, if
finish,
you attempt, it's all right.
it's all right. It's all right. And
Yeah.
as the
Excuse me.
criterion says, right, out of 10 weeks, best 8 will be considered,
Correct.
and
Yes,
that
sir.
best 8 should be above 40.
Above
Which
40.
which
Okay.
which is if you consider that is very minimal thing, right?
Correct. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Thank you, sir.
that's how it
Excuse
is.
me, sir.
Yes.
Regarding the same thing, I wanted to ask, like all the
Yeah.
OPPs are in 7 to 9 p.m. So, is it possible to keep at different time zones so that the people who are from different time zones, they can attend in the daytime also? Because like my time, 7
Okay.
to 9 means it's around 11:30 plus. So
Okay.
it will be very difficult for me to concentrate at that time. So if it is like
Okay.
one day you can keep it in the afternoon, one day you can keep it in the morning, and one day you can keep it in the late evening, then also it is fine, right?
Okay. I'll check with the ops team. So
Yeah.
see, the thing is, 99% of the students are from the Indian Standard Time, right?
But sir, you
So
have to consider the
yeah, I
1%
understand.
also,
I
right?
understand. Understand. There is a small group, but yes, there are people who are outside India. So let me check with the ops team that what's the possibility for this. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Sir, I
Sir,
have a
one
doubt in
thing.
Yeah,
PPA
Omkar.
7.
Omkar.
Uh,
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Roshan
Anand, maybe
Maulia
you
is
give
waiting.
now. Sorry, yeah, Anand, please continue with your session. I think these queries, see, this is a live coding session. So let's continue with live coding. We'll have an open session on coming Tuesday. That I will conduct. So maybe you have some queries, general queries or something. Maybe we'll discuss them on next Tuesday. Okay, or maybe just post it on Discord. I will answer there.
So
Sir,
last,
I have a
how
doubt in
many
PPA
questions would be
7.
there?
Plan.
Hello. Sir, I have a doubt in PPA 7.
Yeah, I will discuss, right?
So
Sir, before
Anand
in
will
Google
continue
Groups,
with the flow. See, today he has planned to okay in and the remaining PPS from PPA 8 to 13 will be discussed in live coding 2 sessions. So he will discuss first 7 PPS one after the other in that particular order. So just be patient and he will discuss those. Okay. So Anand, please continue with that. And guys, if you have any other doubts, please post it on Discord or join the open session on Tuesday that I will conduct and I will try to answer your doubts then.
sir, is there a specific group for Python in Discourse?
Yes, yes. For Discourse, just go to your portal and click on forum. It will take you to the Python Discourse.
Sir, it
Anand,
says you can
please
enter.
continue.
Sir,
Otherwise,
sir,
this
sir, please,
queries
Omkar,
won't
sir.
stop.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, may I ask one doubt, sir, operational doubt, sir?
Yes, last one. Tell me.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I am facing from 2-3 days, sir, this issue. After means I am using my Geo phone. From phone, I am connecting my laptop by hotspot. Everything work fine for 1 hour, but after just 1 hour or somewhat 5 to 10 minutes up down, uh, IITM site stop working. Means if I reload it, they're not reload. But all Google search, YouTube links, everything is opening fine. Nothing worry about
Okay.
that.
Okay. Okay, this is not operational. It's a technical support. Maybe you should write to the support team with specifications related to your network, operating system, and browser details. So they can check that why this is happening for that specific configuration.
Okay,
Is
sir. I
is
have
it
written the
something
support.
related? Yeah, no, no. Write to the support email ID with
Okay,
all
sir.
this information.
I have written to support team, but
Okay.
after 1 hour, if I means turn off my hotspot and on it again, it works fine. So does it affect my OPP exam?
It should not affect your OPP exam. Then it must be some issue with your internet connection. Then it might have some your mobile setting. Just check it once. Are you running a battery optimization app? If that's the case, you might have to disable that because that sometimes disables the hotspot after some time interval.
Okay, sir. But when I means off and on again, it works fine. Means I am
So
afraid
during
because
OPP, I mean, if you wish to continue in that manner, you can continue. You can do same thing in OPP, and that should not be a problem. Okay.
okay, means disconnecting internet and again connecting will not affect. No, sir.
Yeah, that should not be a problem. Just inform the proctor during exam that I have had issue, so I have done this. Just inform the proctor, and that should not be a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, sure. Anand, please continue. I will drop off.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, Omkar. Thanks. Okay. Should I proceed with next one? PPA4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. My screen visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, what is the problem statement here? Accept what?
Two
Two
integers.
integers as input and print the sum as output.
Output.
So here we have to read two integers. Okay, we have to read two integers. Now you tell me how to read integer. So in
So
previous you are,
we will take two variables and we will accept two inputs as an integer.
yeah,
We
a
will
is
use
equal to.
input
Should I
and then
take a?
typecast it to integer. Integer?
Yeah, should I
Int.
take a?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here input.
Int.
Actually, input
Int
means we will
input.
get. Yeah, we will get in the form of what?
Integer.
Integer, right? Yeah. 1 second. I'm writing intentionally. So into b is equal to.
It will be taken as a string, sir.
It
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be taken as a string, sir.
Wait. I'm writing intentionally. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So print. Okay. Print here a
A
plus.
plus b. B.
Now we'll see
It
what
will
happens.
concatenate. Sir.
Yeah, it will be concatenate, right? So I'm going
Yes.
to click
Yes,
on
sir.
test. See here, actually 1 2. Okay, so here expected output is 3, but
It
here
is
1 2.
yes.
So here 1 is treated as what? String. 2 is treated as string. So both are concatenated, right? Both are concatenated. Okay, so now you are getting what? 1 2. Okay, but here we need to read what?
Integer.
INT.
Okay.
INT.
Yeah. Now we need to convert it into what?
Integer.
Now let's run.
Now addition will happen.
Yeah. Now addition will happen. Okay. 5 out of 5 test cases passed. So here I'm going to take one temporary variable. Okay, a plus b, and here you can print
Then
sum.
some. Yeah, that will also work.
Like this also you can. Okay.
Sir, can we write in one line print statement? Input inside print.
Yeah. I'll come to that. I'll come to that. Okay. Yeah. So here his who is asked this one?
Sir.
So like this, right?
Right. Yes, sir. Plus second. Yeah.
Yeah. 1 second. Plus, yeah, you can also write like this in a single statement. This is also possible. See,
Sir, which input will be executed first?
yeah. I'll come to it. See, so, so here in this, before executing this print, so here print is what function. It is depends on what this one and this one, right?
Yes,
These two,
yes, sir.
and not only this input. It's also depends on what this int of and
NPG.
this int of, right? So here first, here these two input statements are executed. These two, first this one, okay, and it will be converted into integer. Then after this input, then it is converted into integer. After that, it is going to perform what addition operation. Okay, finally, result gets printed. Okay, here this print operation
Means
is depends
the
on,
first left one is executed
yeah.
first. It is based
This,
on associativity,
yeah.
right, sir?
Yes. First this one.
So if I use instead of plus power operator means double star, so then right one will execute first, right, sir?
Yes. Why? Because here we need power first, right?
Means that the double star operator means that is right to left. So that means right one will execute first.
Based on the operation, sorry, this operator precedence, right? Precedence and associativity, it will execute. Yeah, you can try it. Okay, you can try it in your own. Okay, it is clear, right, for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
yeah, this is not good practice actually. So it looks okay, clumsy, right? This looks cluttered actually. So this is not at all recommended. Okay, this
Sir,
is
for the
not good way
beginners,
to
the
read the
earlier
program.
one is easy, sir.
This is very
Yeah,
confusing also.
Confusing, sir.
confusing.
I
Okay,
The
agree.
this
earlier
is
one,
okay.
because we are very much
Yeah,
new to this programming,
yeah. So
the
that's why I'm
earlier
telling,
one is
right?
very clear, sir.
Yeah. So every solution we prepared. Okay. So with respect to, okay, all. So those who are new to Python,
Yes, sir.
now a plus b. Okay. So if you want to write very clear, then you can take one more variable. So okay. Right. So this is the good programming practice. Okay, so here we are able to understand what happening in the program. So see here we are reading two integers and we are going to perform what addition operation on this, and we are storing it in what one temporary variable sum, and we are printing that sum. So like this you can submit any number of times. Okay. I hope it is clear, right, for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Should I proceed with next one?
Please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
My screen visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Accept two words as input and print the two words after adding a space between them. Okay. Here we need to read words, means strings, right? We don't need to convert it into integer or float, any other data type. Okay. Directly we can read the words. Okay. And what we have to do here, we need to what? We need to add those two words. Okay. So here we need what space between them. For suppose, okay, my name is Anand Kumar.
STR input.
So
Yes, sir.
Anand is one word, Kumar is one word. Okay, so here Anand Kumar, if you give space in between Anand and Kumar, so that looks good, right? That looks good, right? So
Yes,
now,
sir.
now See here.
Sir, 1 minute, I want to just say something. The slice of string, if you explain it once, that would be so helpful.
Slice of string. Oh, okay, okay. We have right in PPA 7.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. I will tell you. Okay. So here, now you tell me how to go about it. First, we have to
Sir,
read words, right?
as we have done in
Word
the
one.
PPF4.
Okay. Input.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Word
is
one
it
is
not
equal to
required STR, sir?
why is here?
No, it will default
By
by
default, it reads as a string, sir.
I'm not
by
getting.
Sir, you
Here.
don't.
In videos, just like we add integer to make it integer, there is sir is writing str in input so that it will be string. That's the
No,
reason.
Sir,
no. It is
default it
also
will
string.
Yes, sir,
default
but
it reads as a string only.
Default is
Uh,
string only.
Okay,
by
so
default input. Okay, you can
oh,
get this input in the form of string only. No.
Yes.
Yeah.
okay, sir. So by default, every input is considered as a string.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
got it.
So here, word one is equal to input. Word two is equal to input. Okay. Yeah. Now, what we have to do here? Tell me. We have to concatenate these two, right? So here, space should be there in between what? Word
Uh,
one and
word
word two.
one, word one
And
plus a space in single quote or double quote, then again plus and the word two.
sir,
Like
we
this,
can
right?
easily put
Space.
comma.
Yes, why
What?
it doesn't
Yes,
work
sir.
like
We can do. We can use comma, sir. Yes, sir.
So
it will
we
not
can
work.
use comma.
Where?
This
Sir,
word one
in
comma
between
In
word
and
and word two, we can use
yes, sir.
comma, which is
Okay,
easier
okay.
than this
Yeah,
one.
we'll do that way also. Okay. First,
but
see
it
this
will
one.
not
Okay.
give the output. It will say fail.
No, no.
See, we got it
It
right.
is showing test pass.
Yeah.
For
We
comma
check
one,
with
I
the
am
private
saying.
test cases also. Yeah, 5 out of 5. Why it is wrong?
No, I am
Sir, this is
I'm
not wrong,
comma one.
Not wrong. So do
but
one thing.
comma one is easier.
Do one thing. Space is equal to like this and write space. Okay. This is also okay, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What's wrong with this?
The if you write print word one comma space comma word two, then
One
maybe
second.
it
One
will.
second.
I
One second.
tried it actually. That's why.
Print word one, comma.
Comma.
Uh,
word one comma word two.
Comma word two, sir.
No
that's it,
need
right?
to write
Not a
space.
space, sir.
Okay.
No need to mention a space there.
It won't affect, I guess. It won't affect anything. If you give space
Yeah, it
here,
won't affect, sir.
it won't affect. Okay. Okay. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
this is also another way.
This is what the comma is doing here. This is concatenating again, just like plus.
No, no. If you use plus, what happened? Without any space,
There
they are
won't be a space.
concatenated. If you
Yeah.
use comma, it is giving some space, one space in between the two words, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For suppose, as you said, you use only plus, okay, then you will get error. Error means in test case you will get error. See, there is no space. So if you use comma, what happened? Both are concatenated with a space, right?
Yes.
So this is another approach. Okay, so use this approach
Okay,
and
sir.
and here add a space in between like this also. Okay, so you can use either way, this way or this way. Okay. So others, please note these four four lines of code. Okay. But while executing, you you can use either this one or this one. Don't use both. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so if we want to write in a single statement, how can you write? How can you do that? So one way
Then
is
input blank space plus input blank under the bracket.
see.
Now getting it.
Okay. There is no. Okay. Now I want to write in another way. Input comma input. This is also one, right?
Sir, there we need to leave one space, sir.
No need. No need.
After comma.
No need. No need.
No need, sir. But still
But
we'll get
here
one.
it's if you give space, it looks good. That's
Okay.
it. That's why I'm giving. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. See here.
Otherwise, also we'll get the space in between the
Yeah.
two strings.
Yeah. See,
Okay.
I removed. Okay. I removed space.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah, we are getting the space. Yes, sir.
it won't affect.
Understood.
Okay. Next. Should I proceed with next one?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
next one I am not able to do that.
Yes, sir. PPA 6 and 7. Doubt.
Me too, sir.
Yeah, sure. See here, accept the registration number of a vehicle as input and print the state code as output. Okay. Yeah. See
Yes, sir.
here, we have to choose language here. Okay. Otherwise, you are not able to write the code here. See, I'm trying to type something here.
Sir,
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Tell me.
sir, here by default will take as an input.
By default.
So, I am audible, sir.
Yeah. You're audible.
So here will declare a variable and store as a string value.
Yes.
And
Why? Because
and will
here
declare.
vehicle registration number contains alphanumerical characters, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why
And
we need to
we'll
take it
declare
as a string only.
and we'll declare two more variable and store it as a list value as n of 0 and n of 1, and we'll concatenate it.
Why you need to take list here? What is the use of list
So
here?
it is asking is a state code. So a state code
Yes.
is the first
Yeah.
and second
See
letter.
here. See here. This is the test case one. See here how it is given TN. Here we have what hyphen 10 hyphen AB underscore. Sorry, hyphen 2010, right? So entirely this this registration number is considered as a string. Okay, considered as a string. Now here you need to print state code. Here, what is the state code here? What is the state code here? TN, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here you need to get substring from the main string. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I need to get first two characters from the registration number. Right?
Yes, sir.
That is considered as what? That is considered as what?
A state code.
State code, right? Accept accept the registration number of a vehicle as input. So here state code. What is the state code? So in the registration number, first two characters. Okay, first two characters. Okay, I can consider it as substring. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
these first two characters, okay, you need to get and print it. That's it. Okay. So now first you have to
So,
read
but
what?
how?
Yeah, string. Now you tell me how to go about it.
So
From
string slicing will be applicable here.
Yeah,
So,
slicing will be applicable. How to go about it? I'm asking that.
declare a variable
Declare a variable. Next.
and input
And
input
printing
sir
the
and
index
input
one.
input. So
Okay.
if you allow me, I'll share my screen and I'll show you sir how I have done it.
No. First tell me how to go about it. So first I will do. After that, I I will see your approach also. Okay.
So
First
declare
of
Here I
n is equal
Sir,
to input.
n equal to input
okay.
bracket
First we need to read what registration number. Reg number is my variable name. What it contains
input
now?
Input.
Registration
string.
number.
Yeah.
Input. Okay. So input.
Yes sir.
Now print is
Next.
Sir, write t write t.
1 second. 1 second. So here, see here, tn, okay, tn hyphen, okay, 10, okay, hyphen ab hyphen 2010. So this is my total what vehicle registration number. Here also, okay, enter. This one is what registration number. Here, now you tell me in string. Okay, so entirely this is string, right? So in this string, so this should be considered as zeroth position. Am I correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This will be first position. So this is called indexing, right? Index for a string. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So now
Totally
I got
here
it,
we
sir.
have, yeah. So like this, okay. So this string will be okay considered. Okay. So here totally how many characters are there? How many characters are there?
11.
12. See, 12.
12 characters.
See,
Yes sir. 12
12,
characters.
12 characters. How many indexes are there?
11.
11.
11.
11. Why?
11.
Because index starts from
0.
0.
index starts
Zero,
from
zero, zero.
13 character, 13. There is
Zero and
13.
minus
13.
one.
13.
Yes, sir.
See,
There is 13 character, but we have
1,
to index
2,
it from 0
3,
to
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
No sir.
10,
12 characters. Yes sir.
13.
13 characters
Sorry,
are
sorry,
there.
13 are there. 13 means how many indexes are there?
12.
12. 12.
12. Right? 12. Now, now, please listen carefully. Okay, please listen carefully. Yeah. Yeah. See, registration number. I will do one thing. So copy this one. All of you, please. Okay. Now, so here the registration number contains this value. For suppose, okay. For suppose. Now, reg num. Okay, reg num of. Okay, reg num of 2.
0.
Now you tell me what is the value of
Hy-
reg num 2?
N. Sorry. It's
Hyphen.
hyphen. Hyphen.
Hyphen.
Hyphen.
Hyphen.
Hyphen. Hyphen. Why? Because here t is
It
in
starts
0
from
position.
0.
Starts from 0,
0.
1, 2. Okay, you will get 2. Okay, now here 7. Now you tell me.
B.
B.
B, sure.
B.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
0, 1,
B.
3,
A.
5, 6,
A.
7.
A.
Okay,
It's
B.
B. Yes, sir.
Here I given 7, right? I given 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this.
Yes.
Okay. So now you tell me. I want to get these two numbers. I want to get first two characters from the string. Now you tell me
0,
Sir,
how
we
1.
to
can
get
do
it.
this by two methods.
Tell me
So
both methods.
as now you have said that we as index position. So, sir, first we'll take
Ah,
the zeroth position and the first position in another variable.
see, state code. Shall I take like this? State code is equal to, okay, state code is equal to registration number of, okay,
Zero.
0
Plus what?
plus
Registration
registration number of
what?
1.
One.
Now you tell me what I'm doing here. I'm getting first character and I'm getting second character.
Yes, sir.
What I'm doing, I'm going to
Concatenating.
concatenate
Yeah,
both.
I
Yes, sir.
saved it
Now
into
you will
it.
get state code, right? Print it.
Yes, sir.
Print it. Okay. Print. State
Sir, we can directly print it
you can do
by
that.
indexing
Okay.
0 to 2.
Yeah, I will come to that. I will come to that. See, all cases passed. Okay. Next, I'm going to click on submit. 5 out of 5. Okay. Yeah, you can do in another way. Okay, you can do in another way. You can slice it. Okay, you can slice it like this. You should start from 0. Which index? 0th index. And you want how many characters? 2 characters, right? Here I'm slicing. Okay, with registration number. Okay, how I'm slicing here? 0 to 2. Okay, yeah, see. So is there any change in the output or test cases? See, 5 out of 5. So like this also you can achieve. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have a question here, sir.
Go ahead.
The code that we are giving input, it has hyphen, right? So what if I add something which don't have hyphen? That will also be taken as input only, right? So how to force user to input in that particular fashion? Should we add the comment there or what do we do?
Here you
Yeah.
want to give input without hyphen, right?
No, I want to say that if some users say that this hyphen is not there, okay, for some example, we use asterisk instead of hyphen, then this
Okay.
then that is not a right way to input the this data, right? This
Yeah,
what we
but
call
here you are
registration
not
number.
giving input, right? We are giving the input. We are
Okay,
giving the input, right?
so we have to means be
Yeah,
particular
then
about how we give input.
okay. Okay. Then you can check, right? So whether your string contains these many number of hyphens or not, like that you can check.
Okay.
We can write in so many ways. Okay, we can validate a string in so many ways. We can use regular expressions also.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, we have lot of things. Okay, this is initial week, right?
Yes.
So don't think okay, so
I was just
in detail.
thinking means how to
Yeah,
write this
so we
proof
have lot of
proof code.
string handling methods in
Yeah.
Python. Okay, yeah. So as it is first week, okay, don't think too much.
Okay.
Should I proceed with next one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if everyone is okay, then I will move to next one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the
So
previous
this one very easy actually. This one is very easy actually. Okay. So previously I written some code, right? So that code is okay. You can use that code here. Okay. So see here, accept a 5-digit number as input. Okay. Accept a 5-digit number as input and print the sum of its digits as output. For suppose, yes, here 5 digits number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now you tell me what we have to do here. This is 5-digit number, right?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you tell me
sir.
what what we have to do? Here we have to
Sir,
combine all these things.
no. So I had
We
done it
have to, right? No.
Sir, do we have to take the input in one line only?
Do we have to take? Yeah, we have to take. See here, accept the 5-digit number as input. You have to take only one input. Okay, you have to
Yeah,
take only one input.
but number
That
of
should be
digits should be 5.
5-digit number. 5-digit number like this. Okay,
Okay.
here
May,
what
may
you
I give
have
the
to.
answer, sir?
Hello. Yeah.
Sir, may I give the answer?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, we will accept the input as a string and then slice its string into 5 parts and convert them into integer and then sum them up.
Yeah. Super. Exactly. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we write the code then? See here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have another way also. Okay. What is the another way?
Then we that number percentage the 10. Then we take the last number
What you will get here? 5
5.
as reminder.
Yes,
Right? Then what is the updated value? 1, 2, 3, 4.
right.
And do reminder for this. Okay. In first step, okay, if you remind, if you do like this, what happened? 5 will be returned. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4 you will get after the above operation. Next, do the same. Now what you will get? What you will get?
4.
Like this, right? And you can add all of these to get the required output. Okay. But this is what? Okay. This looks what complicated code. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what I want to do is here anyway they are giving what 5-digit number as input. Okay, 5-digit number as input. Okay, so here read the number first. Okay, number is equal to input. Okay, now your number contains how many digits? 5 digits. Okay, so I'm taking this number in the form of string only. Okay, I'm taking number as what string only. Okay, for suppose your number is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now I want to get first number in the number. How to get it? It is string, right? It is in the form of string. Now I want to get 1. How to get the 1? I want
Number of zeros.
Number of zeros, sir. N of
Indexing, use indexing,
number
sir.
of
index
Zero.
0.
okay?
Zero.
But
Number
we
of
have to
zero in here.
change it to integer, no?
Wait once. First, I want to get each and every number. Okay, that is my agenda now. Okay, as
Number of 1.
so what you number of 1.
It will be
What you
1.
will get? 1, right?
First number.
Next number of 2. What you
2.
will get?
Third number.
Next number of
3. Fourth
what
one.
you will get?
The
4.
4, sir.
4, sir.
Here
4.
3, right? Here
Yeah,
3 here.
4, sir.
Next number of
4.
what you will get?
5.
5.
Now here actually here we need what sum, right? Sum
Yes, sir.
of
Yes, sir.
its digits.
Yes, sir.
If you apply what addition operation in between number of
No,
0
this
what
it will get
you will get?
concatenated,
It
What
will
you will get?
not add.
concatenate.
Again
It
you
will
will get
concatenate it, sir.
again you will get
1,
what
2,
1 2 3
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah 1 2
So
3
we
4
need
5
to
again you will get. But so now
we
what
need to
we need to
convert
do?
convert
We
it
need to convert it into what?
integer.
Integer.
Okay, we need to convert it into integer.
Integer.
How to convert it?
Into
Int.
yeah.
Int operation, sir.
Like this, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Now a is equal to I'm showing in some temporary variable. Okay, number of what? 0.
0.
Okay, I got first number. Okay, converted it into integer and hold it into A variable. Okay. Next B is equal to. Okay. I got second number, converted it into integer and hold it in C variable. Sorry, B variable. Now I got third number. I got fourth number also. Okay. Now write what? Print off. Okay. Write print off.
A plus,
A plus B plus C
B
plus
plus
D
C
plus D.
plus
Plus C
D
plus
plus
E.
E.
that's it. This is clear, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
See?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. One second.
Sir, rather we write this code, can we write for loop?
Already I told
Sir,
you. So as it is first week, okay, so don't use for loops and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, already I told you. So in this session, most of the students are not familiar with Python before. So that's why we are writing code like this, actually, for the sake of them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can
Okay.
write using for loop. So you can write just two statements, right?
Yes, sir.
You can write only two statements is enough to complete this task. Okay, still for loops are not introduced and so many people in this session not aware of loops. So that's why we are writing code like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Actually, I just joined the session, so I asked.
okay. Sorry, here I forget to give some.
Sir, is there any alternate method for this?
Is there any alternative? Yeah, you tell me if, what is
Sir,
in
I
your
don't
mind.
know. Sir, I'm asking. Sir, I don't know. I have used this method too.
For beginner, this is the best way. And by using for loop also we can achieve, but for beginner that is not recommended. Okay.
So you don't know what is
Sir,
for
can you
loop.
please show once that process I tell that with the percentage sign? Can you please show once?
Which one?
Number percentage 10, then it will store the reminder, and then the reverse procedure, and then add the number.
Just is asking about modulus.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Then you need to convert it into integer. Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you how can you perform?
Yeah, that's fine. No, but can you please show the process
Yeah.
once?
Sir, check my code actually. It is right.
Next.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, why this number is divided by 10? Means why the
In order
remainder
to
is
get last digit. In order to
So
get
a
last.
number in third line it will be a percentage 10, isn't
Sir,
it?
will that the number, we don't need to update the value of
Yeah.
zero?
Actually, here we need to update, right?
Yeah.
Here, actually, number is equal to number by 10, right? For every statement,
Yes.
we need to write like this. So this looks complicated, actually.
Or sir, we can use the previous variables.
While then we have to use
This is
while loop
another
in it.
way. I'm not telling use this way. Okay.
Sir, we can slice it as well by converting it using string.
Yeah, we have lot of ways. Okay.
Sir, we use true forward slash instead of single one slash.
We'll check this one.
It is a floating number, I think.
Yeah.
we need the true division. So need to two forward slash.
Yeah, we need to check it. Okay, manually we need to take paper and okay do manually. Okay, somewhere. Okay, so it's okay. As of now, please leave this one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so write it in whatever the way I given. Okay, so take it as string and write a is equal to get one by one number. Sorry, one by one number from the string and convert it into what integer. Okay, do in this way. Okay, and you can also do by using that way also by using reminder 10, so it will take some time. Okay, so as of now it is not required. Okay, so as per the problem statement we have to do. Okay, okay, I hope so PPA 1 to PPA 7 is clear for everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you, I need a response from everyone.
Sir, in PPA 6, can I?
Yes, sir.
PPA
One
6.
doubt.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, in PPA
No, no,
6.
Yes, sir.
somebody
Clear.
asked.
Sir.
Somebody asking.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is that?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I
Should I
answer?
open PPA 6?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here accept the registration number of a vehicle as input and print state code as output. Okay. So see
Sir.
here. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Sir, I have a doubt in you write a code, state code is equal to registration number and bracket 0 hyphen 2. But why you write this? I'm could not understand.
Here you are slicing your water. Okay, you are getting simply you are getting substring from this registration number. Okay, here registration number is a full registration number. Okay, so from this
This
registration
is
number you want to get only first two characters. Okay, first
okay.
two characters. See here,
So start
T
from
and
1 and take 2
yeah,
characters.
yeah. But here in string, index starts from 0.
Yes, sir.
That's why I given here 0. Okay,
Yes.
that's why I given 0. From 0, how many characters you want?
2.
2 characters. Means what are the indexes you are getting from the main string?
2, 0 and 1.
0 and 1. So first two characters you are getting from the
Okay.
main string. Okay, you are going to store it in what? State code variable.
If I
And you are
take
going
3 characters, then we write it 3.
yeah, 3.
Okay.
Then your
Clear.
test cases not be passed. Okay.
Okay. Clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I have doubt in PPA 8. Can I debug my code?
No, no, no. From PPA 8 to PPA 13 will be discussed in next session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when it will be next session?
I guess on Saturday.
Okay.
Sir, you will be taking the class, sir?
No, no.
Sir, the
I don't know.
tomorrow
Please take
test
Okay.
that will be conducting week wise, we have to attend only one, or we can attend all three.
Yeah, that operational things you can check it with Omkar in open session. Okay. Okay. So can we wind up the session, or if you have doubts in PPA 1 to PPA 7, you can ask. Otherwise, we can
Sir,
wind
sir,
up.
in PPA 7. In PPA 7, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, why haven't we put integer in line number 1? int.
Yeah, already I told no. So if you converted it into integer, it's difficult to get one by one number like this. That's why you need to remind it. You need to do a reminder with the 10 that number, and you have to hold the last value like that. Okay, that's
So,
why
but
it's somewhat difficult to get the output result. That's why
So we cannot
we have.
string integer, right? Only we can string and slice a string. That's right.
Yeah, yeah.
so we can put string str there.
There, there. Line
So
number one.
yes, sir. In line number one. Sir, before input.
Before input, you want to give str here.
Yes, sir.
You can take variable name can be anything, right? So it is your choice. Now you need to change here
No,
every
no, no, sir.
many.
No, so not in variable, sir. After is equal to before input in line number one before input.
No need of str. Why you need to use str here? By default here input. Okay, you will read whatever you are reading by using input function. By default, it is in the form of string only. Okay,
Okay,
by
sir.
default, you will get it in the form of string only. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Somebody raised.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, will you be conducting these contests on this code forces this time? So this time also?
Code chef.
Yeah, code chef. Sorry.
No. This time not.
So it means no certificates will be provided this time.
See here, Omkar mentioned. So we have stopped code chef contest from the current term. From this term, okay, we have stopped. So student might ask about session. Yeah.
So for data structures also.
Data structure. I don't know about that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
For Python, there is no code chef contest this time. Yeah. Okay. So thanks for everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding replit. Can I ask?
Replit. So you can ask in
Means
open session. Okay.
that will be too late because I have to practice in replit. So that was a minor doubt that which account has to be used to log in replit, student ID
It's
or
better to
personal?
use online degree only. It's better to
Okay.
use online degree.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So when we have the next class, open session?
Open session on Tuesday and a live coding too on Saturday. This Saturday.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thanks for everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Can we wind up the
Thank
session
you, sir.
then?
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.